from polynomials, class 9 maths subject. Exercise 2.3. Last class we have discussed up to 2.2 exercise, okay? And we have done some numericals. So today from 2.3, if we have to learn about 2.3 exercise, then we have two important points. That is called remainder theorem, okay, and division rule, okay. There is the 2 points of the. So what is remainder theorem? If we have to write the definition, we have to write like that. Let Px be any polynomial of degree. Let, you can write down. Let Px be any polynomial. If Px be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 1, okay, and let A be any real number. So we are saying basically about 2 points. One is a polynomial Px where degree is greater than or equal to 1, and another number is A. A be any kind of number which is a real number. If we are discussing about these 2 points, 2 numbers. So from these 2 numbers, the main point is if Px is divided, if Px is completely divisible by A, if Px is divided by a polynomial, another polynomial, one polynomial is divided by another polynomial which is x minus a, where it comes from A. If A is the number, then the polynomial that is the divisor which is x minus a. If there is a, there will be x minus a. If there is plus minus a, it is x plus a. Okay. If Px is divided by a polynomial x minus a, then the remainder will be, P of a. Actually definition is somewhat complex, but if we take an example, it will be easier for us. Done? So you have to write the remainder theorem as it is. Okay? This is the book definition. If we take an example, suppose, let us take a question. Okay? Let us take an example. Question number 1. Find the remainder when x to the power 4 plus x cube plus minus 2x square, then plus x plus 1 plus x plus 1. Find the remainder when this polynomial is divided by x minus 1. That is the question. You can write down the question. So basically, this is the question based on the remainder theorem. Okay, see properly. What we have taught about in remainder. So in remainder theorem, we have got that if Px is divided by x minus a. So in place of a, the real number. What was the real number? In place of a, they are given this 1. In place of x minus a, here it is x minus 1. Okay, and px is this. Okay, if px is divided by this, then what will be the remainder? First step, given px is what? Write down px. X to the power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1. This is the px, means the polynomial which is to be divided. Okay? যিটো আমি ডিভাইড কৰিব লাগে সেই বস্তুটো আমাক দিয়া আছে ইয়াত. Okay? The polynomial which is to be divided. And the another polynomial is given which you can say gx. Gx means the polynomial by which to be divided. যিহেৰে আমি ডিভাইড কৰিব লাগে. Okay? X minus 1. This is the gx by which it is divisible by this. Clear? So from gx we can find out the value of a. How? If see, if here gx equal to 0, if we make this equal to 0, then what will get? What will get? So we will get x in place of gx, x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to how much? X minus 1 equal to 0. That means minus 1 will be transferred here. Yes? Plus 1. We have got the value of that a. That is mentioned in the remainder theorem. The first step, we have to find out this value of x. Okay? After that, we have got now remainder. Remainder is simply p of 1 or p of a, that is mentioned in the remainder theorem. P of 1. After that, we will put the value of x in px. P of 1 means 1 to the power 4 plus 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus 1 plus 1. After that, 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2. Make the plus together, 1 plus 1 plus 2. After that, minus 2. Or you can do like that also, 2 and 2 cancel, plus to minus 2 cancel. After that, it remains 1 plus 1, 2. Yeah. So P of 1 is correct. That is the procedure. Have you got? Understood? See about the next question. This is the first question based on the remainder theorem. Okay? If we have to find the remainder, if the polynomial is different, suppose from exercise question number 1, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, that is the question number 1. Okay? 2.3 question number 1. That is the polynomial given. And they are given, there are 4 gx, means divisor. And here given x minus half. So how it will do? How will do? Write down px equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay? Because gx is x minus half. Then j is equal to 0, x minus half equal to 0. After that, x equal to half. Just put the values of half in that. Well, x cube means half cube. 3x square, that means half square. 3 into x, that means 3 into half plus 1. 1 by 2 cube means 8. 2 cube. 8, 2 into 2 into 2. 1 cube means what?
1.
It is referred how it can be done. 1 cube by 2 cube. 1 into 1 into 1 equal to 1.
1.
2 cube means 8.
8.
Like that it can be done. Okay? Plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4. 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay? Now you can make the LCM 8, 4, 2. If, see, in among 8, 4 and 2, 8 is divided by 4, 8 is divided by 2 also. That means LCM will be the greater one. 2, 4, 8, LCM of 8.
8.
Okay? Since the LCM is 8, then 8 divided by 8, 1, so 1 also 1. 4 2s are 8, so 2 into 3, 6. 2 4s are 8, so 4 into 3,
12.
12. And 8 into 1,
8.
8. That means 6 plus 1, 7, plus 1, 8,
13.
15. 15 plus 12, 27 by 8. That is the answer. Remainder. Okay? See. Next question is find the remainder when the same polynomial is divided by x not minus it is plus pi, right? So pi hole ami ki koribo? What will do if pi is there? Same as it is, okay? Gx equal to x plus pi. So ultimately x plus pi equal to 0. X equal to minus pi. Okay. So now simply put the values of pi here. Okay. Minus pi here. How? P of pi will be, P of minus pi will be, see, minus pi whole cube, minus pi whole cube, x cube and minus pi whole cube, plus 3 into x square, plus 3 into, what is what? Minus pi whole square, okay, plus 3 into x, that means 3 into minus pi. Plus 1. Clear? Just we have put the value of x equal to minus pi in place of x's. Okay? So minus and here cube. That means if there is minus and if power is odd number, then it always be
negative.
minus. If there is minus, if there is odd number, it will be always minus. So minus. And pi cube will be pi cube, remain same. You don't have to do any kind of putting the values of pi, okay? You will like that. 3 into minus pi whole square, minus and square. That means
Pi square.
pi square. It will be plus. 3 into minus pi, that will be minus 3 pi. Plus 1. 3 into minus 5 and minus 3 pi. Plus minus into isn't it? So minus 1. Plus minus it will be minus. Minus plus it will be minus. Plus it will be plus. Minus it will be.
Plus.
That means same signs, answer is plus. Opposite sign, answer is
Minus.
simple. Okay? So that is the answer. It will remain like that. Plus. Okay? So whatever the question number 2 to তোমালোক মই এক্সপ্লেইন কৰি দিও তোমালোকে কৰিব পাৰিবা ঘৰত হা question number 2 কি দি আছে পলিনোমিয়াল এটা দি আছে x cube px equal to x cube minus x square plus 6x minus a and দিয়া আছে gx equal to x minus a x minus a that px is divisible by x minus a. That means what is the value of x? It will be, what is the value of x here? So see, if px is 3x square plus 7x, gx is 7 plus 3x, then equal to, by equating 0, we will get the value x equal to minus 7 by 3, and the remainder will be p of minus 7 by 3. Then in place of x, put the values of minus 7 by 3. X into 3 into minus 7 by 3. When x, if it will be x equal to, if minus 7 by 3, then if there is minus and it is square, minus and square, what it will be? Plus. It will be plus. So 7 square and 3 square. Okay? Plus minus, what will be? Minus. So 7 into 7 by 3. Done? 3 1, 3 2. Get cancel? That 2 3 is there, na? You understand? 3 square means 3 into 3. If 1 3 and here 2 3, that means 1 1 cancel. 3 is remaining. Okay? 49 by 3 minus 49 by 3. That means 0 is there. Question number 3, answer is 0. You can do it like that. So this is the last point, okay? Division rule that was mentioned earlier, okay? Division rule. We already know that what is the division rule. If we take an example, if 5 is divided by 2, see, if 5 is divided by 2, okay, then what will get? 2 2s are 4. And 5 minus 4?
1.
So what was in the division rule? If we see properly, if here 2 2s are 4, here it is what? Plus. It is plus or what? So in division, if it is plus, in the division rule, it will become minus. That's why we do 5 minus 4 1. Understood? If it will be minus here, it will be plus. If it will be plus, it will be minus. Means sign reverses. Sign becomes opposite to the sign that is in the number. Okay, before the number. If it is plus, then it will be minus. It will be minus, then it becomes plus. Means operation will be the reverse. Okay, clear. So in this case, it is called as dividend, right? It is called as dividend. It is called divisor. It is called quotient, and it is called remainder. যদি আমি এটা নাম্বার দিয়ে আমি ডিভাইড করো, it will be dividend, and it is divisor by which it is divided, answer is quotient and is remainder. And this process can be written as like that. See. Dividend 5 equal to gx, that means divisor 2 into, how you can get this 5? 2 divisor into quotient, 2 into 2, right? Plus remainder, plus 1. Okay, clear? 5, how 5 will be get? We will get 5, 2 into 2 plus 1. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is the concept. So in case of division rule also, in case of polynomial, that division rule is applied. How? If dividend is px, if divisor is gx, if quotient is qx, and if the remainder is rx, then we can write px equal to gx means divisor into px quotient plus remainder rx. That is the concept division rule. And here rx here is a condition of rx. Rx should be greater than equal to 0 but less than this divisor. There is a condition of Rx. Means 1 can be 0. Means see, remainder can be 0 if the number is fully divisible by gx. If the number is not fully divisible by gx, then remainder may be what? More than 0. It may be 0 or more than 0, but it cannot be greater than the divisor part. Okay? That is the concept behind this division rule. Okay? See, an example based on the division rule. Okay? Here is the polynomial which to be divided 3x square plus x minus 1. Okay? This is the polynomial. And it is the value of divisor x plus 1. If we have to divide this polynomial by this polynomial, then what is the first step? We have to see the first term of the polynomials, both. First term. Now see, 3x square and x. We have to divide 3x square, the first term of this polynomial, and by first term of this polynomial x. So what is the quotient? What is the quotient? 1x is here, 2x is here. So x and 1x get cancelled. It will be
3x.
here. Coefficient of x is 1. Nothing is there. That means what? 3 divided by 1 is
3.
simple. Okay? So x into 3x, that will be 3x square. Correct? মানে আমি ফার্স্টৰ নাম্বাৰটো পলিনোমিয়াল ইজ দ্য ফার্স্ট টার্ম আছে পলিনোমিয়াল ফার্স্ট টার্মটা আমি ডিভিজনৰ ফার্স্ট টার্মেদি আমি কি কৰিম ডিভাইড কৰিবলৈ যিমান আনসাৰ পাম সেইটো আমি ইয়াতে কোৱেশ্চন হিচাপে ৰাখিম ফার্স্ট টার্ম will be the first term of quotient will be like that. Okay? Now see, here it is 2 number, here it is 1. So x into 3x done, 3x square, it has matched. Now 1 into 3x, that means 3x into 1 means what? 3x only. Any number into 1 is that number only. Okay? So plus plus, so plus here. Now see, second rule is coming. That is the first rule. By first rule we have got the value of quotient. Okay? Now second rule, coming to the second rule. Whatever the sign here in the second line only, not here. Whatever the sign in the second line, it will get reversed. That is the second one. Okay? It will get reversed. Here it is no need because 3x square minus 3x square is 0. So we don't have to do that. Okay? Just do this. Here it is plus x. Okay? Plus x. And here it is minus 3x. See, we will consider this minus only here. We will consider not this plus 1. Plus x and minus
3x.
3. That will be the rule. Clear? Plus 1 minus 3x. How much? Plus 1, no one is, nothing means here 1.
2x.
1 minus 3. How much?
Minus 2x.
So it will be minus 2. Clear? We give here minus 2x. Minus 1, directly go down here. Minus 1. This is the first step. Clear? Now see, again you see the first term of polynomial of the divisor, and it becomes a dividend. So this term is the first. So how much percent will be there? Minus 2x divided by x. How much? X get cancelled, and here
Minus.
that means if we put minus 2 here, minus 2 into x, that means minus 2x. Okay? Minus 2 into 1, that means it is matching. So we don't have to do any kind of calculation here. But since this is the second line, this minus will be get reversed into
Plus.
plus. Minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2, how much?
3.
No 3. See, if there is a plus number, it is a minus number. We will subtract the lower one from the greater one. 2 minus 1, 1. And the sign of the greater one is plus. That's why it is plus 1. So, it is plus 1. So, here quotient qx, 3x minus 3, 2, rx will be 1. So, that is the answer. Simple.